Premium Pipe Measurer. This easy-to-use marking tool is designed for pipe fitters and welders as an economical measure for marking straight lines around pipes or to mark a straight edge prior to welding or cutting. Heat-resistant material, comes in black and is made from a flexible gasket material which has excellent resistance to both low or high temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Printed scales. The tape is printed with a scale in inches, and features an inch chart, tangent chart, and other helpful markings to assist you in making straight lines around pipes. Diameter range. This flexible pipe measuring tool has a marking scale from 3.88 inches to 6 feet and is designed to gauge pipe diameters that are sized 3 to 10 inches. Safety standards. When it comes to providing innovative safety solutions, unparalleled features, long-lasting value, and comfort on the job, Jackson Safety has set the standard for the best protective gear and tools in the industry. Top reviews from the United States. Nice hard edges to line up for precision marks and if you're looking for a wraparound that can take some abuse in the field, well, look no more. Very well constructed, nice hard edges to line up for precision marks and cuts. Nicely printed measurements for all your cutting needs on the hole outside. I'm telling you now, goodbye for the price. If dependability, price and durability are a factor, then folks add to cart and call it a wrap.